After the power supply is turned on, the main display will show the current temperature and humidity. At this current state, you can push the time button to set the on timer between 0 to 24 hours. Press this button to increase and this button to decrease. Dehumidifier, press the power button. At this state, you can set the off timer by pressing the time button once. The LED will blink and you can set the timer as you prefer. Left button to increase the timer, right button to decrease the timer. And to complete the setup, just wait until the blinks off. So now the timer is set to 2 hours, and you can reset the timer by pressing the time button again once. And now to set the humidity, you can just press either left or right button and it will blink, and you can set the humidity that suit your preference and wait until the blinks stops. The dehumidifier works under low temperature. The dehumidifier will automatically detect the system temperature and will defrost automatically. While defrosting, the indicator of defrosting will blink, the fan works and compressor stops working. To get the best result for the dehumidification, it is suggested that the drainage pipe is placed outside the building